don't even know if I want to drop this in that other chat, to be honest with you. At everyone. Let's go to Hangout. Let's see, is it working? Yeah, it is. Alright, I'm doing spy first. I don't know, wait, I guess I'm gonna wait a minute. I always do this too quick. Alright. Full send today. Damn, Adrian got first comment. Didn't think I'd be on today, Nick. I figured out where the go live button was at again. It just took me a second. Let me get my notes out. I don't even got this list deleted. Alright, so I think you'll see why I'm going to choose those levels. I bet if I extend this one to the left, it goes to somewhere. It's like a slight resistance, slight jump rope before it moves big. Because you got to jump here, you got to jump here, you got to jump there. A lot of jump roping here. So that's a pretty good line too. Let's do spy. Should say 315. I need to back this time frame out and choose a bigger target. Everybody say good morning to Harland. Oh, my message was messed up the other day, Nick. I literally copy and pasted a message and I had that in there. My bad. I was definitely going to stream today. Yeah, I definitely screwed that one up. So let's say if it pops, it's going towards 316.30. That's fast, Harland. I do 310.50. 310.50. Let's go check out. I want to do squared today. I don't know. Let me go check out where this is because Steven texted me. Tesla. 1232. Bro, 1232 is the high right now. On Tesla? Dude, this is nuts. I think it'll skyrocket. Dude, this... I'm not going to put this on the list, but if it breaks 1250 or 1230... If it breaks 1232, it's going to 1250. If it breaks 1250, there's a big chance it's going to 1300. That's nuts. I can't even imagine. That's nuts. Good for Elon, though. That's actually so nuts, though. All right, so price is at 145.42. I'm gonna mark a level there with a intention of reaching yesterday's low, which that was actually down here, but I'm not gonna mark that one. Pre-market high is kind of lining up at this little shoulder here, so let's just put that there. With a target beyond above 146.25. Target 148.70. Could you check out the airline stocks like DAL? Yeah, I could do that. Facebook on the 30 completely destroyed your levels from 2 days ago. Ran at 239 and higher. And I don't really even ever this. Holy shiza. These are the target levels from like a day or two ago. Holy crap. These aren't even the break levels I marked. Where did I mark these? It was for one of these 2 days, but these are all target levels. These aren't even like me drawing lines. And it caught support on the top target and jumped. Filled that gap, kinda. Filled it all the way to here. That's where it finally stopped and had consolidation. It was right there on this bump. That's nuts. Damn, Facebook's going for an all-time high. I think. Yeah. Might be an all-time run play on this. I don't understand how they're still, like, going. All the stuff that's coming out about them. Yeah, what's going to run now? Alright, we're doing the break above right there. I like that it's above that peak. If it breaks that, it's going to 245 or 245-ish. Alright, break below right there. It's going to definitely need to go and retest. I'm looking over the left here. I like this spot because it's got that support there, and then it fell. And then you kind of got a little play here. So yeah, we're going to go there. That's going to be our target if it breaks. I wasn't going to add Facebook, but now we are. This guy said, yeah, you said if it broke 224 it could run, and it did, LMAO. I should probably watch Facebook more. Above 241.50. Target. $245. So we'll just do that because it's current all-time high. If you guys are not a part of the chat, by the way, y'all should go to the YouTube bio. There's a link to the Discord server below. We have discounts on like literally everything right now. Facebook below 236.80. I was just seeing if I even like that level still. We'll say 233s. I think I like those first three for sure. Those first three plays are good. If you're a premium member, you're going to start seeing me spam y'all with swing plays using the hike and a she strat that I posted in there. But these are actually alerts for a hike and a she strat. I'm gonna start doing that a lot more. So BA's out here on its own little ocean here. Let's just choose our levels. You got some really good resistance right or support, sorry, but there's a good resistance here. Resistance. It's right where the gap stopped. It's where it caught support after it gapped up. That's our break below. This would be our target. Below that, our target would be probably way down here, to be honest, because if it does break that, it's going to come down here. If it breaks that, it's going to move down another wave and head towards this gap. That's a really nice gap down here, too. Yeah, above that, it's going to definitely need to go to... Ooh, there's a gap right here. I just noticed this. I'll probably just have that one target. If it breaks that, it's going to definitely go towards the higher 190s, but we'll see. Definitely play very patient today. If you don't end up trading at all, don't be mad at yourself. This is technically our Friday, so do not be forceful. Don't chase. Just let it come to you. If it doesn't, then whatever. You don't trade today. Cool. It's no biggie. We got a whole another week ahead of us next week. Plenty of more time to lose money and make money. So let's do BA above 186. The target of 188.70s. We'll just say 70s. Yeah, 60. Target 2. I'm just sparking. That's true. I only knew about this one because of Devin. But you got Jets, DAL, AAL. You have LUV. You have, what is, oh, that is Southwest. What's the other one? DAL, AAL. Then you have LUV, BA, Jets. Dude, I used to know like 2 more. I can't remember them. I literally even did an airline stock watch list that one day. I know AAL is something I don't mind trading because it does have a good options chain. I think DAL has a pretty decent options chain. Save, that's what it was. Nick got it. Spirit. I totally forgot about Spirit Airlines. Good shit, Nick. Thank you. Let's see. I used to be able to name like 10. I can only name like 5 or 6 right now. And I only kind of cheated because of Nick. It sucks because the chat is like like a little ways behind you and me. XAI. Oh, this is for Amex. What the heck? What's the float or what's the market cap and share count on this one? This is like Chipotle. It's like, what is Chipotle? Isn't it CMG? Yeah, look, Chipotle is like 1,000. People are like, that's overpriced. Well, it's because they don't have as many shares and their market cap's a little different than everyone else's. It's a lot smaller. Because trust me, if this is at 1,000, where do you think McDonald's should be? If they had the same market cap, same share count. And they're not even above the peaks from before. Like Apple, Microsoft, BA, like all these other stocks that are above their peaks. This one's not even close. McDonald's has so much upside potential to it. I keep telling people to watch this one. I'm gonna do the hike and a she strat on it. No, yeah. But like right there, even if it just broke 183.40, I'm getting in swings. It's gonna fill that gap. It's gonna get above this peak, and even if it just stops here, I'm okay with that. But there's a huge chance that it comes back up to this gap at 205. If it catches support there, it's going back to 210, 220. Low float, high stock price. All right, let's do BAC. I might take snap from my boy Hammered Toe. Oh, I like that support from yesterday and today. And it almost stopped at today's high, or yesterday's high. We're just going to say break above 24. Let's go to the 30 minute. Damn, Harland, it's weird having someone else here, dude. I really appreciate it.
Non-farm payroll adds 4.8 million jobs, higher than the 3 million estimated. Expect a nice strong bullish move today with a possible sell-off at the close.
You think that's what's going to happen?
I do think so, yes. Everything was a sell-off yesterday. Now people are trying to take quick profits from it, I'm sure. And I don't know that people want to hold through the weekend. I don't think I would risk holding much through the weekend. I do think the economy will boom over the weekend because of everybody coming out, which will probably cause for a green market next week. But I think it's also going to start ramping up the numbers of COVID and everything again, so it could potentially bring the market down sometime next week as well.
Damn, I'm excited for next week already. It's only Thursday. Oh, we don't have tomorrow. Well, we still got work tomorrow, but... Oh, dude, the guide last night, I was reviewing it. Oh, my God. I already messaged you, but oh, my God. They're not ready. He wasn't ready. Damn, I kind of like this chart, dude. No wonder Hammered like it. Snap almost looks like BAC to me. That's what I said to him the other day. I was like, man, you kind of like showed me a better stock I should be looking at more because it looks like BAC and it moves enough to where you can trade it. Oh, good point. I didn't even think about that. I do miss putting LK on the list. Yeah, I'm trying to find like more crucial spots. I like that break below because it does have the resistance here. Has the stop, the bear flag there, and then it has the gap there. So I like that. Yeah, I'm only on the 1 hour and it looks bullish. It's got like a cup and handle going. I think snap breaks out today or next week. If it's all pure off technical analysis, I would say it pops. Oh. Above 24. What's the price at? 24.14. So we're gonna say 24.25. Damn, there's so many supports under this thing. I got one at 23.67, 23.30s, 22.90, 22.89, 2266. I'm gonna go to it. Oh, yeah, you ain't kidding. I could see it. It's got a slight cup. Wait, you're on the 5 minute? Oh, yeah, this looks like snap a little. Damn, it keeps doing that before it runs.
I wonder if anyone grabbed those apple calls yesterday. It never broke the high of day, so hoping nobody did.
I think Holy Fire. Oh, I don't know if she called it out or not. I know she messaged me that she was looking at Apple calls, maybe. And then you talked about it, and then Steven and Jonathan talked about it, and then the bot alerted it, and I was like, oh my god, like, everyone's talking about it. It's probably going to pop off, and none of us are going to grab it. Alright, let's go to the 30 minute. Oh, I'm glad I did that. There's a better level right here at 368. Honestly, at 368, it could run to 372 again. I'm going to move this over here because that white's kind of hurting my eye. Let's do Apple. I've never done a list like this in this order, but I kind of like it. $361.15. Alright, so I got SPY. Why did it let me pull it? SPY, Beyond, Facebook, Boeing, Bank of America, Snap, Apple. Which, Apple's looking super bullish. A lot of this is looking bullish, to be honest. BA is between crucial levels on so many different time frames. I don't think I'll... Oh, let's do NVIDIA. I haven't done NVIDIA in a long time, since I did a few small stocks today. That's not the all-time, is it? It is. That's nuts. 385.70. That's the new high. The new all-time high has been achieved with NVIDIA. So that's going to be our break above for sure. 386.50. And let's just go ahead and use that as our break below because it's bottom of the pre-market as well as a good little almost touch there. Touches there. Almost touches there. That's the bottom, or it's kind of the top of the gap up. And then if you wanted to set a target for the bottom side, I would say the gap. I'd probably say about right there. Right here, expect it to go to 390. Then 395. Do your psychological whole numbers. So let's see. Ooh, that's bright. Above 386.50. Let me mark that's the all-time high. All-time high. Target 390. Below 383. We'll just say 383.15. Round it up. 381.40. Let's check out some of these comments. Is it also a short trading day? Good morning, Terrence. Thoughts on Apple calls? That resistance right here on there, no joke. Oh, my bad. Oh yeah, no, I don't want to play calls on this. I'm just saying if it does break it, it definitely will run because that is a very strong level. And I don't think it really matters anyway. The only thing I'm entering off of is rising volume because that's gonna be the only for sure thing anymore. A lot of people don't look at volume, but volume is actually the most confident entry I have. Tesla been going crazy. That's a fact. Oh no, yeah. You're talking about okay, yeah, yeah. I like what he said. I really like what you said. Must turn 386.50 into support before it runs, though, to not get faked out. I like that. No, that's true. That's the best entry is when it does that retest, catches, has rising volume, pops, because then you know for a fact bulls have control. It does close early. I think it only closes an hour early though.
Hidden Land said it's said 2 p.m.
What time zone is that?
EST.
Oh, so it's 2 hours. Damn. Damn, that is kind of sad. I'm gonna trade till like 11 today and be all like sad that there's no power hour because I at least always have my chart up so I can at least look at Spy or Apple. But I think this is it for the list. I'm gonna go ahead and send this over. I'll leave this up right here, and then right after we can go watch Spy for a few minutes. Where's the one they call Jonathan? I actually kind of like this list, even though it's for a short day on a Thursday. That's technically our Friday. I really like this list. There's a lot of stocks at very crucial spots. There's stocks that are at all-time highs in pushing. There's stocks that are at almost at all-time highs and they're at resistance. They just need some volume. There's stocks that aren't even close to that are still trying to find their way back up to the previous highs. That are on very crucial supports from the drops. So there's a lot of very good plays and a lot of very good charts out there right now. So I would definitely say take your time to go practice. There's a lot to go look at. Oh, I was only on the 5 minute. What did I draw this box here for? I have like a perfectly drawn box somewhere. Damn, dude. I was just talking about the stock with Hammered Toe the other day because I said that you really like this one. Got that gap. Dude, it caught support on that candle right there. Holy crap, that's a really nice. I'm going to do this on stream. So you got this resistance here. You hit it again. After you cup and handled, you pushed, you caught, you went down, you slowly went down, caught, you had rising volume. That's bulls in control. That's why that candle's running from 75.50 to 78s. That might keep going. Is that all time high for sure? Oh no, it's close though. Damn, dude, this could seriously run. It could go up to 79. It could go up to 85. It could go up to 82. ATVI has a lot of room ahead of it. It's going to need to do exactly how it did that, though, because I also see that it did it here again, too. It had rising volume after it passed the resistance, just like Young Investor said in the stream. It went down, caught retest, rising volume, popped. Same thing here. Same thing here. That is such a beautiful example. I think this is it. Yeah. Damn, for once I actually have a crap ton of DMs right now that I can't check yet. Trump just tweeted a news conference at 9:30 right at market open, LOL. Yay. I know you said look at volume now a lot. Can you make a video going over how important volume is and how to use it? I actually have a crop ton of videos on it. I think half my videos cover it. Also, yo, if you're a premium guy, you have a lot of videos. You think Baba has room to run yet today? Let's see. When did I draw this? Drop before the pop, buy the dip, wait till the end of the day, sell off. I don't know when I drew this, but I'm going to go ahead and clear it. This chart's so choppy. Bigger move is made. Support. That's a really strong support. Or just level in general. 212.20, 212.30. The low 212s are a very big stick zone. How did you get that little panel with all your tools? LOL. Check this out. This is probably the coolest thing. Chart settings. I learned this from my boy Harland and Steven and Tree and Trevor. You go to that settings button. You go down to here on each chart. You click that on each chart. Make sure that's on. I think it's normally on off. Again, settings down here on each chart. Bam. Then you want to click apply or even. Can you save as default? I don't even know how you can do that. But apply and then you click OK. Can you check work, please? Yes, I can. I almost typed that $sign. Let's go to the hour. Whoa. What happened to them right here? What date was this? Oh, that was earnings. Bet. So I'm just looking over here on the left. I wanted to draw peaks so I could see a good support. So I'm just going to draw that. I saw the top. Support caught. Big move up. Support. Almost support. So 30 is a strong level for work. It needs to maintain above that to remain bullish, in my opinion. It's going to probably bounce from there. And then I like that it needs to probably break above that 31.81 just to get back out of that range to make either another lower high or try to go back up to make a higher high. Either way, it's going to have to pass this little piece of information here. There's a few little hills right here, actually. I don't trade work a whole lot. I don't think I've ever traded work, actually. But I know that they got a good trading chain. No problem, Terrence. Thoughts on Disney? SLI. I was really expecting Disney to drop more with that bad news they had, but they didn't. I think that was all we got from it. Yeah, that was the only thing that came from it. It never even went under 100. Ooh, almost an inverted head and shoulders here. It might run up if that cup and handle completes. It's not a complete cup and handle. It's not even a good looking one at all. But that's normally what you'll see come out of those. After an inverted head and shoulders, a cup and handle is normally a pattern that you would see pop up because it's continuating the bulls. If you don't expect it to go up to that double top at least, is how I envision it every time. It's not the cleanest inverse head and shoulders, but it's just similar. Steven Castillo. I do think Disney is a cheap stock, though. I think this will, over a long period of time, this is a good investment. I think short term, it'll probably have some more pain before it goes back up a lot more. But it definitely is cheap. And it definitely could drop more. Yeah, because it's pretty much just chilling above the low range is what I like to call everything. Because the low range is what everything did after they died. See, it was at 153. I mean, we were popping. Corona, all the other stuff. But yeah, if you're a premium access member, expect me to be posting a lot more swings with hiking a she-strat. So definitely go check out that video that I posted in premium chat today. It's been there, by the way. It's been there for a while now. But just throwing it out there to y'all. Got the support. Got a support on a peak. And it passed that one. Damn, Netflix is running. That's all-time high. If you want to play Netflix above that 487.80s, looks good. And that pre-market low looks really good, actually, because it's got a little bit of room under it. What are you looking at today, Harland? Twitter? Sounds like a legendary list.
I won't be watching the meat too heavily, but I'm in a trade on it, so I gotta keep an eye on it.
Hey, do you have a SPY call ratio ticker for TOS? All I found is $SP call. It's best to look at on line graph, though. I don't ever really look at those kind of charts, but I know that, well, no, because ADD is just the New York Stock Exchange. He's wanting to do it for just SPY calls. I'm trying to think of one. I think I would probably just use the same one you used, honestly. For a better one. Oh, my nerd friend might actually have a couple of them. I'll have to hit him up and hit you with that ticker, young investor, once I get it from him. I'll be like, yo, nerd, hit me with it, and then he'll send it to me. Oh, by the way, guys, if you are in the pre-market stream, y'all need to be making fun of the people who aren't in pre-market stream and chat every day. Join, join, join. It's not even about the views or the likes. I don't even care if the video gets likes, but I think this routine will help a lot of people. A lot of the older guys in the chat already know how this goes. You do the pre-market list, you trade during the day, and you do the review at the end of the day. I haven't been doing the reviews for everyone, but still a good thing for everyone to go back and do. Guide number 3 comes out tomorrow that me and Harland made. Monday, we got the patterns coming out. Oh, it's going to be nice. Do what? I'm so excited. All right, well, I think I'm going to end the stream there. If you guys want to drop a like on the video, you can. Someone said make fun of them. LOL, will do. All right, well, we'll see you guys in the chat. I'm gonna be in my one-on-one today. Harlan will go make sure you guys all end up with mansions at the end of the day. Well, yeah, I'm gonna end it there. We'll